In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete saved photos or pins from your Pinterest account. So what you want to do here on the mobile device, if you're on a mobile phone in the app, what you want to do is go to your profile, tap on the profile image in the lower right-hand corner, make sure you're logged in. And once you're logged into your profile and you've gone to it here in the app, you're going to see two tabs, Created and Saved. You want to tap into Saved there to go to your saved pins, and then you'll see a list that says All Pins. Tap into All Pins to see the ones that you've saved or created. Then what you want to do is you want to tap into a pin that you want to remove, and then you'll see the three dots there under the pin, right next to the Share button. Tap those three horizontal dots. It'll bring up the option to edit the pin. Go ahead and tap into Edit Pin. And then once you've done that, you will go to delete this pin. Tap on delete this pin. Are you sure? Tap on delete once more, and you will no longer see that in your list of pins that you've saved. So if we go back, it's no longer there. If you're on desktop, however, you go to Pinterest.com, log into your account, go to your profile in the upper right-hand corner, click into your profile there, and you're going to see the created and saved tabs. Go to the saved tabs here, go to all pins, which will be the first set of pins there, and then select the one here, hover over it and click the pencil icon. That will bring up the edit options here where we can go and just click on delete. Are you sure? Click delete and you are good to go. So that's how you delete or unsave photos from your Pinterest account on both mobile and desktop. If you have any questions, put those down below. We'll see you guys in the next video.